Hello, it's Technology Central here, and welcome to this 6-part tutorial series on how to use Google Slides. To get started, you will need a Google account, and you'll need to then log in with that account. If you don't already have a Google account, you should go ahead and create one now. There's a tutorial on our channel on how to do that if you're unsure. Once you're logged into your Google account, you should navigate to Google Slides. You can either do that by clicking on the link in the description, or come into the dots that you'll see on the Google homepage, scrolling down and clicking Slides. Now we're here, we're going to start our new presentation. We'll do that by clicking blank. One of the advantages of Google Slides is that all of your presentations are getting saved to Google Drive. This means that they're stored in the cloud and can be edited on any device. If you have a mobile device that you want to edit your slides on, you can download the Google Slides mobile app. So we now have a blank presentation and we have it saved automatically to Google Drive. However, we might want to rename our presentation. To do that, come to the top here, click on Untitled Presentation, and now enter your chosen name. Now, whenever we navigate to Google Slides, we'll be able to see example presentation. We'll also be able to see this if we go into Google Docs and view our documents. You may wish to download this presentation to use when you're offline. To do that, come across to File, come to Download, and then choose the format you want your presentation to be downloaded in. Common ones include Microsoft PowerPoint format, if you're going to be using your presentation with PowerPoint, ODP document, if you want an open document of presentation, if you're using something like OpenOffice or LibreOffice, or you could download each slide as an image or PDF. One of the big advantages of using Google Slides is collaboration. Several people can be working on the same document at the same time. You can also easily share the document with others so that they can view it. To begin, come up to the Share icon. There are two ways of sharing a document with others. The first is to add them to the document. You do this by entering their email address here. To set their permissions, come to this Settings tab and check or uncheck these boxes as appropriate. You can also send them the link. Initially, with all documents, this link will be restricted, meaning only people who you have added to the document will be able to edit or view the document with the link. You can change this by coming here and setting it to anyone with the link. Now you can just share this link with anyone and they will be able to view the document. If you also want anyone with the link to be able to edit it, you can come to Viewer. You can either let them comment on the document or become an editor. When you set these permissions, click Done. Now, someone will be able to edit your presentation. Finally, for this first tutorial, we're going to show you how you start your presentation. To do that, just come to Present and click on there, and you've now begun your presentation. That's everything for this first tutorial. We hope you found it useful. If you have, leave a like and subscribe, and make sure you come back for the rest of the tutorials in this series. But now, thanks for watching and goodbye.